Good morning to all. Grade 7, subject max, exercise 2.6. First one, find 0.2 into 6. We multiply the decimals. In this chapter fully, we multiply the decimals. First one, find 0.2 into 6. 0.2 into 6. Solution 0.2 into 6. First we multiply two whole numbers. That means without decimals. We multiply without decimals. 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is equal to 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. But we want to 0.2 into 6. 0.2 into 6. So we count the decimal digits. We count the decimal digits. Here decimal digits only one place having. Decimal place only one decimal place having. So we take the point 1 decimal places. We take the point 1 decimal places. So our answer is 0.2 into 6 is equal to 1.2. The next one, second part, 8 into 4.6. 8 into 4.6. First we multiply without decimal places. 8 into 46. 8 into 46. So 46 into 8. 6 8s are 48. 6 8s are 48. Write the number 8. Then carry over 4. The next we multiply 8 into 4. 8 4s are 32. Already 4 having. 32 plus 4 is equal to 36. 36. So 8 into 46. 8 into 46 is equal to 368. 368. But we want to 8 into 4.6. Not 46. 4.6. So count the decimal places. Here 1 decimal place is having. So 36.8. Before 1 digits, we take the decimal. Before 1 digits, we take the decimals. The next one. Second problem. Find the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangle. Whose length is 5.7 centimeter. Whose length is 5.7 centimeter. And breadth is 3 centimeter. And breadth is 3 centimeter. Our question part is find the area of rectangle. Find the area of rectangle. Whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. We want to area of rectangle. This is a rectangle. The length is equal to 5.7 centimeter and breadth is equal to 3 centimeter. P is equal to 3 centimeter. We want to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is equal to L into B. L into B. First given part, solution. Given length of rectangle is equal to 5.7 centimeter and breadth is equal to length of rectangle is equal to 3 centimeter. We want to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle formula is equal to L into B. Area of rectangle is equal to L into B. Here L is equal to 5.7 and B is equal to 3. L into B. 5.7 into 3. 5.7 into 3. We take 57 into 3. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. 1. Then carry out 2. 3 5s are 15. So 15 plus 2 is equal to 17. 17. Our answer is 171. We take the decimals. Count the decimal places. 1 decimal places is 1. That means 1 digits before the point. So we take decimal after 1 digits before 1 digits. So 17.1. 17.1. 170.1 centimeter. We want the area for centimeter square. Centimeter square. Therefore, area of rectangle is equal to 17.1 centimeter square. Listen here. Find the area of rectangle whose length is 5.7 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. Given the length of rectangle is 5.7 centimeter and the breadth is 3 centimeter, then area of rectangle formula is L into B. L is equal to 5.7 centimeter and B is equal to 3 centimeter. We product two terms 5.7 and 3. We take 57 into 3 is equal to 171.3. 171. We count the decimal places. The decimal places are 1. So we take the decimal 1's place. So 17.1. Question number 3. Find the first part. 1.3 into 10. 1.3 into 10 is our question part, but we take without decimal places 13 into 10. First, we product without decimals 13 into 10. 13 into 10 is equal to 130. 130. We count the decimal places. Here one decimal place is carrying. So take the point before 1 digits. We take the point before 1 digits. So our answer is 13. Our answer is 13. Therefore, 1.3 into 10 is equal to 13. Then second one. (36.8) into 10. 36.8 into 10. First we multiply without decimal point. 368 into 10. Here 36.8 having. So we take 368 into 10. 368 into 10 is equal to 3680. count the decimal places. Here one decimal place is having, so we take the point before one digits. We take the point before one digits. So our answer is 368. Our answer is 368. Therefore, 36.8 into 10 is equal to 368. Next, fifth one, 31.1 into 100. 31.1 into 100. First unit product without decimal places. So 31.1 is equal to, we take 311 into 100. First we multiple, take the whole number. 31.1 having, we take 311 into 100. 311 into 100 means we take 2 zeros. 31,100. 31,100. Then count the decimal places. One decimal place is carrying. So we take the decimals after before one digits. We take the decimal before one digits. So our answer is 3,110. 3,110. The next one, sixth one. 156.1 into 100. 156.1 into 100. Here also we product without decimal point. 1561 into 100. 1561 into 100. 1561 into 100, 2 zeros. 1,56,100. 1,56,100. Count the decimal places. One decimal point having, so we take the decimal before one digits. Before one digits. So our answer is 15,610. Therefore, 156.1 into 100 is equal to 15,610. Next, fourth one. This is a product of two decimals. It is called product of two decimals. 2.5 into 0.3. It is called product of two decimals. First we will product without decimal places, without decimal point. Here 2.5 having, we take 25. Here 0.3 having, we take 3 only. So 25 into 3 is equal to 75. 25 into 3 is equal to 75. Count the decimal places. Here 1. Here also 1. So 1, 2. 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 decimal places. Here also 1 decimal places. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So 1, 2. We take the decimal before the 2 digits. We take decimals before the 2 digits. So our answer is 0.75. 0.75. That means 2.5 into 0.3. 2.5 into 0.3 is equal to 0.75. 0.75. The next one, second one. Zero point one into 51.7. 0.1 into 51.7. First we want to do without decimal point. 0.1 we take 1 into 51.7. We take 517 is equal to 1 into 517 is equal to 517. Count the decimal places. 1, here also 1. 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2 decimal places carrying. So, we take the decimal point before 2 digits. Before 2 digits. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 1, 2. So, our answer is 5.17. Therefore, 0.1 into 51.7. 51.7, 0.1. Zero point 5 into 0.05. First we multiply the without decimals. Without decimal place 0.5 we write 5 into 0.05. Here also we take 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Count the decimal points. 1, 2. Here 2 decimal places carrying. Here 1 decimal place carrying. So 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. We take the decimal places before 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 places nothing. So we take 0. 3 places nothing. We take 0. Before the decimals. Before 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, we take the decimals before 3 digits. So our answer is 0.025. Therefore, 0.5 into 0.05. Next one, 6-1. 11.2 into 1.5. 11.2 into 11.2 into 0.15. 11.2 into 0.15. We multiply the without decimals. 112 into 15. 112 into 15 is equal to 112 into 15. 5 2s are 10. Write 0. Carry on the number 1. Then 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Write the number 6. The next 5 into 1 is equal to 5. 5 into 1 is equal to 5. Next, we multiply 1 into 2 is equal to 2. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. 1 into 1 again is equal to 1. So our answer is 0. 6 plus 2 8. 5 plus 1 6. Then 1. Our answer is 1680. 1680. Count the decimal places. 1, 2. 1, 2. Here I'm only having, so 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So our answer is 1680. We have 3 decimal places having 1, 2, 3. We take the decimals before 3 digits. Before 3 digits. 1, 2, 3. So our answer is 1.680. 1.680. Therefore, 11.2 into 0.15 is equal to 1.680. The next one, homework part. Next one, homework part. Next homework part. Exercise 2.6. First Roman 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then third Roman 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then question number 4. Last question number 5. 3, 4, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you, Tom.